Hello friends, myself Dr. Ashish Panchal, your biology NEET guru from Trisha Institute of Biology। बच्चों आज का जो टॉपिक हम करने वाले हैं वो है नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन एंड दैट इज बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऑल नो दैट बेटा इन एटमोस्फियर देर आर 78% nitrogen is there, but that nitrogen is not utilized by all the plant and all the organisms. Very few living organisms utilize the nitrogen in a form of nitrogen available in the air. यानी बेटा वेरी फ्यू लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, बहुत ही कम ऐसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं दे यूटिलाइज द नाइट्रोजन अवेलेबल इन द एयर. एंड हाउ मच नाइट्रोजन अवेलेबल इन द एयर? तो इन द एयर the 78% nitrogen is available, but it is not utilized by all plant and the all organisms. It is utilized by very few living organisms. Only a certain bacteria, means only a certain prokaryotic species capable of fixing the nitrogen in the soil. यानी बेटा बहुत ही कम ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं, दे आर द प्रोकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म, मतलब बेटा बैक्टीरिया, they are capable to fix the nitrogen in the soil. A reduction of nitrogen to ammonia by living organism is known as the biological nitrogen fixation. यानी बेटा जो एटमोस्फियर में जो नाइट्रोजन है, that nitrogen is reduced and converted into ammonia with the help of living organism. This process is known as the biological nitrogen fixation. And the enzyme which is required for the reduction of nitrogen, the enzyme, which enzyme is required? Nitrogenase enzyme is required or capable of reduction of nitrogen to ammonia. It present only in the certain prokaryotic cells. Means the enzymes which is required to reduce the nitrogen and convert into ammonia is only and only present in the certain prokaryotic cells. Now how this nitrogen is fixed into the soil? So by two way, one is the free living bacteria and second one is the symbiotic bacteria. So first of all beta, in free living bacteria, what are the free living bacteria are there? So there are three categories. One is aerobic microorganisms, anaerobic and free living. So first of all, in aerobic microorganism, example are the azotobacter and Baezerenchia. Azotobacter and Baezerenchia are the bacteria and they are the aerobic bacteria which is responsible for the fixation of nitrogen in the soil. Second, anaerobic bacteria are the Rhodospirillum and the free living are the Bacillus. So the free living bacteria are aerobic Azotobacter, Baezerenchia, anaerobic Rhodospirillum and free living bacteria, that is Bacillus. They are responsible for fixation of the nitrogen in the soil. Apart from this, in cyanobacteria we all know that is blue green algae. Cyanobacteria are the blue green algae, and that blue green algae cyanobacteria, example is Nostoc and Anabaena, are also the free living bacteria. They are responsible for fixation of nitrogen in the soil. And some symbiotic fixation are, so in symbiotic fixation are two type. One is the symbiotic fixation with the legume plant and the second one is symbiotic fixation with the non-legume plant, legume and the non-legume plant beta. So in the legume plant, the bacteria are the rod-shaped bacteria. Bacteria are the rod-shaped bacteria and that is rhizobium bacteria. So in the symbiotic मतलब बेटा बैक्टीरिया एज वेल एज प्लांट दोनों को एक दूसरे से क्या होगा, फायदा होगा. तो यहाँ पर बेटा लेग्यूम प्लांट में कौन सा बैक्टीरिया होगा? राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया. एंड विच लेग्यूम प्लांट आर देयर? सो लेग्यूम प्लांट इज अल्फा, स्वीट क्लोवर, स्वीट पी, lentils, garden pea, broad bean and the clover bean. These all are the legume plant. In this legume plant के रूट में बेटा कौन से बैक्टीरिया होता है? राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया होता है और वो क्या करता है बेटा? नाइट्रोजन को फिक्स करता है सॉइल में और ये प्लांट वो नाइट्रोजन यूज करते हैं बेटा. ओके, एंड अनदर एग्जांपल इज द नॉन लेग्यूम प्लांट. द बैक्टीरिया आर फ्रेंकिया and the plant is Alnus. This is also the example of the symbiotic. fixation of nitrogen, but here it is the non-legume plant example. Which plant is here? Alnus plant is there and the bacteria is Frankia. And legume plant, these all are the legume plant and the bacteria is the Rhizobium. So this is all about the biological nitrogen fixation. फिर से बेटा एक बार, and very few living organisms are capable of using the atmospheric nitrogen and they are the prokaryotic one. Okay, reduction of nitrogen to ammonia, okay, only performed by the some prokaryotic cell. Why? Because this prokaryotic cell has an enzyme nitrogenase which is responsible for fixation of the nitrogen in the soil. This reduction of nitrogen to ammonia with the help of living organism are known as the biological nitrogen fixation. There are certain bacteria, free living bacteria and the symbiotic bacteria are there. The free living bacteria, aerobic microbes, that is Azotobacter and the Baserenchia, anaerobic, that is Rhodospirillum, and free living bacillus. Certain cyanobacteria like Nostoc and Anamina also able to fix the nitrogen in the soil. And some symbiotic, so there are two categories, one is legume plant symbiotic and non-legume. In legume plant, Rhizobium bacteria and the list of legume plant, and in non-legume plant the bacteria is the Frankia and the plant is Alnus. Clear? So this is all about the biological nitrogen fixation. अगर बेटा आपको हमारे ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड बेल आइकॉन पे प्रेस करना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू, हैव अ गुड डे.